Good evening, students. My name is Samuel. Visiting you from the land of the rising sun. Today is the 23rd day of March 2024. I want to bring you the weekly analysis. Sorry, today is 22, please. I normally do my analysis on Saturdays, which is tomorrow, but tomorrow I'll have no time because I have sessions with my students, and I don't like wasting people's time because one is for the new students, two is for the experienced. And if I combine the two, is either I'll be wasting the time of experienced traders or confusing the new traders. So I have to split it so that the new traders we focus on what they need to learn, and the experienced we focus on what they need to learn. So for that, I want to do it this night. Okay, so let's go to the business. Remember, if this is the first time you are watching my video, like, share, subscribe. You will see links in the bio, links to my Telegram channels, two links, two of them are free. Then I have VIP and students group as well, but they're not free. You need to contact me. You will see my phone number. Phone number is available on Telegram and WhatsApp. And you pay the true money, you join the students. So let's go to the business. Okay, so last week something happened, but not strange to me anywhere. I was expecting DSY to sell, but they keep buying. Now, what was the result? One, aggressive traders will make losses. I mean, those who don't have much experience. I'm an aggressive trader, but I'm always smart to know when I will run away. Then conservative traders will not trade. In many occasions. So now this is daily chart on DXY. Still, until the price goes above 105, I will still be looking for sell. This sharp move up, ideally, maybe is news that caused it. So let me just go down to 4 hours. My plan was that after this drop, this is my plan that after this drop, I will get a kind of A, B, C. Then the selling will continue. That's why I said this is selling confirmation. So for conservative traders, they won't sell. For aggressive traders might enter somewhere here on 1 hour or 3 minutes. So it's always risky. Okay. So but when if the market goes our way, those who are aggressive make more profit, but they risk losing more as well when it goes again. So no trade on DXY. This move, I don't expect it. This is what I expect, correction and down. So now I'll be watching what market will do. If it keeps going up, I will only begin to buy when it goes above this zone. But for now, I have to watch what is happening. Maybe I may not trade for the first 2 or 3 days of the week. Maybe by Thursday or Friday, I begin to trade. So I will know what is happening in the market because many pairs did what I did expect. Meanwhile, I remember in last video I said that this can be called an ABC, and if that is the case, we will get a higher move, either above here or somewhere here. So it doesn't mean I didn't see it. I saw it because I know patterns can change. So if you watch that video, you will hear when I say that this can be an ABC for a move up. So let's continue going. USD card might be one of the trades I will take because the pattern is clear. This pattern is clear. So I watch for top around here, but I will go down to 1 hour to watch for top around here. The pattern is clear. this pattern WSY is clear. Looks like an ending diagonal. So the risk is lesser on USD CAD. So the selling will likely not fail. So let's continue. USD CHF. USD CHF will likely keep going up. Let me shift this thing. But I will look for sell below this place or around here, no matter what time frame. So, okay, let me show you daily on USD CHF. Maybe that's something I can see. So, the daily chart suggests that you might not get much selling again. But my purpose is that I have not seen an impulse move. You know, I haven't seen an impulse move. If this is wave one, this is wave two, this wave three is not enough to be an impulse, but it's 3, 4, 5. So this is wave one to me. Then this is A, B, C, wave two. So wave three is now developing. But I have seen a candle pattern that shows that we will get a sell. So I have to wait to know what the market is trying to do before I now decide whether I will buy or sell. But let me not just, so this pattern, for those who know candlestick pattern, you watch this, don't ignore it. This is a selling pattern. Don't ignore it. So sometimes they may fail, but even if they will fail, it will take time. You see this type of candle again. Now it depends on where it's formed. Where it formed matters. This pattern is also similar, but you see where it's formed, and since then the market have been buying. So where it's formed matters. This is a similar pattern, and all this drop is a big sell, and this one is doji. You can all see it. So now this pattern can either do this to be buying, or it can even give us a new low. You know, I've been looking for a new low, and if you remember, I said I keep looking for a new low until this channel is broken. So this channel is still intact. Okay, so I don't want to waste time on this analysis, so I have to keep going. Euro USD. So Euro USD, you know, my bias is to buy. My trade close on break even, either somewhere here or thereabout. I bought around here 2 weeks ago or so. So it's closed on break even, and I'm not looking for the possibility of this drop around here. If I go down to daily chart, I will show you that the possibility of dropping here is there, but I have to know what happens here before I do that. So if you go down to 1 hour, you will see why I marked this zone as a reversal zone. So you might, just as I said last week, that this must be 1, 2, then 1, 2 again. Then we were here, but this can equally be 1, 2 again, as long as it haven't closed below this zone. This can be 1, then this can be an A, B, C, with 2, and we keep going. So we need to confirm everything. Don't buy or sell blindly. Pounds USD. I will show you daily chart on pounds USD for a reason. You know, some months ago, I've been saying that I'm looking for this type of move. A, B. That time it was here, A, B, C. Okay. Then afterwards, the market went up. Meanwhile, this ABC is still possible. That is a move below this zone, about around 1.2, 1.22 is still possible. So until it comes to this place. So now let me go back to 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours. So 4 hours, this is clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a what we call leading diagonal. So either we have a shallow correction or a bigger or a deeper correction. So now either we get this correction and go down, or we get this and go down. It means that we don't expect it, the correction to close above 1.2804. So I'm looking for sell. Either they say that to give us big drop, or at least to give us an A, B, C, or maybe to give us that what we saw on daily charts. But at least I'm looking for something like this to happen. 1.224, 1.23, something like that. So let's be guided. Don't trade anyhow. I don't like trading anyhow. I have to watch and watch and watch. So now, let me show you daily on AUD/USD. AUD/USD. Okay, two things is possible. As long as this place remains intact, 0.626, zone is still intact. You might get dropped to this zone, 632, 63, even 6250. Okay, no. If you go below 626, it will no longer be this pattern. So either the market will reverse around 0.647, 0.643, 0.641, or it can come to this 0.632 before you begin to buy. So maybe a trade I would like to trade this time around will be New Zealand USD. The pattern is somewhat very clear. Remember last week or some weeks ago, I keep saying that this drop is possible. If you don't watch my video, go back and watch. I've been saying it in all my videos, that I cannot overlook this pattern, this ABC. When this was happening, one thing about waves, once we see a sharp move, impulse, we look for correction for another impulse. But I have noticed that sometimes some time frame will override others. So when I saw this pattern, I keep saying this is possible until we go above this zone. The market came, it didn't close above this zone. Now it's going down. And I said, when we go below this place, I'll begin to look for sell. Now it's closed below this, corrected, and it's going down. So now, even if everything can fail, you see this trade, though it may not come to this zone anyway, but I would like to see it down this place. But it will surely begin to buy either before this place or maybe somewhere here. It begin to buy, and the buying may likely last for a month, 2 or 3 months. It's up to you to know how to trade it. I'm a swing trader. I don't trade in the morning, close in the evening. I can leave an order for weeks, months. It depends on how you know how to trade. JB225, it's come to our reversal zone, though I expected, this is what I expected, because it had been going up for a long time. I expected a kind of A, B, C, that is W, A, B, C, X, then Y before buying. But it means that it will still go up before the big drop will happen. So whichever way it's doing, we keep following it. Okay. So below JPY, JPY, it has gotten to my my target. Here is my target, and it seems to have it seems to have reversed. Now, what I'm gonna do is I will go down to 1 hour time frame and watch out for sell setup, because the sell, at least I think the sell will be much. Okay, but if you don't know what sell setup is, you need to learn, because it's not good to waste your money. Okay, so all this move, I will set it up around here if it will occur. If it will occur. But if you are watching this video, join my Telegram channel. I will share it in my Telegram channel. Or someone can remind me. My Telegram channel is interactive. There's a one that I can only post, but there's the second one. Anybody can ask question. Anybody can post. So you know what only me can talk. You can remind me, please share this the set of Euro JPY or USD JPY, both of them. I'm looking for the both to sell. USD JPY, maybe it's gonna go up a little before you sell. With 1, with 2, with 3. This wave 4 can be an ABC of wave 4, either expanding flat before it buy again, or a running flat to be buy before the big correction happens. So you can leave it for now. You can leave it now so that when the pattern is clear, you trade. Pound JPY and Euro JPY has given us a reason to look for sell. You have gotten the reversal we are looking for. So the selling will happen, but you're gonna go down to 1 hour time frame to check for it. I cannot tell you the setup here, because if you take out of our time, and secondly, that's what I teach people. Many people know how to count waves, but they can't spot setups. So you join our Telegram channel, join VIPs, and just group. We'll pay little money. Okay, good. Can I show you daily on good? Any reason for that? Let me just check. Okay, good. Let me show you candlestick pattern again on good. You see this big pin bar. It's not that's what you can ignore. Whenever you see this type of candle, don't ignore it, because it may give us a big move. So be careful. Yes, gold is bullish, but you may get this type of move before the bullish move continues. At least if you don't know wave count, candlestick pattern is the commonest thing people learn in trading. If you learn it, you can equally trade with it, but the wave is the best. Okay, so when you go down to 1 hour time frame, 4 hours, you get a sell setup, you sell before buying. So let's go to silver. Silver, let me check the daily to know whether we have such candle pattern. We do not. But there what we call railway track in candlestick pattern. This is like railway track. And one thing again, you see this candle is Marabuzo candle. Then the red one covered the green one is a sign of reversal. So if you are buying silver, you're gonna be careful. Silver must come back to 20. I know what I'm saying, or maybe 22, something like that. So keep your eyes on 4 hours and 1 hour. You know what it will give us. Okay, platinum. Remember, platinum, I have been saying that platinum have to sell lower. So now that we are having the hint that silver and gold will either correct or sell. So it's obvious that this our target, this deeper sell we are anticipating on platinum will now happen. It reversed at our reversal zone. This is our reversal zone, is to reverse and give us this sharp move. So what are we expecting again? Maybe we're gonna get this before selling. But this time around, correction doesn't give us something like this again. Sometimes it gives us only one move like this. For instance, this is wave 2. That's not how wave 2 used to look like. Sometimes you see wave 4 look like this, wave 2 look like this. So, but before, there will be 3 waves, 7 waves, even 11 waves. So, but that's why if you are trading, you need to be watching what the market is giving you. I pity those who depend on what they read on R.N. Elliott's book, a book written 70, 80 years ago. Things are changing, but patterns remain. Okay, you have to know how to follow them. US oil, oil, and look, my bias on oil is sell, but the sale is not yet confirmed. Though going down to 1 hour, it seems to have confirmed, but the risk is still there. Allow it to give us a clear 5 waves, either leading diagonal or whatever. So trading it now is still somehow risky. But if we get a pattern from here, okay, now let me show you something. Okay, you can see this is wave 1, wave 2, though it doesn't look good. Wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Then this can be an A, B, C. It may say to make it W, then give us A, B, C. Make it X, and give us another A, B, C. That is Y, before it begins to sell. Okay, so you keep watching to know what will happen. US 100, anything on there, let me check again. Oh, wow. Okay, this is weekly chart. It has come to where oh, wow. Wave analysis is good. This has been more than 6 months. I put this here. Okay, I wanted to go to daily, and I made a mistake and place weekly. You can see now the markets have gotten to the targets we set up for many months. Wow, incredible. Let's go to daily, but I wanted to check. Okay, if you remember, this line have been, I think, either 3 weeks ago or more than. I said, this is what I'm expecting, that is to come to this place and the reverse. It is almost there. It may not get to it again. Maybe what we see on forwards, we now from forward, we will still touch it or not. Okay, it seems we still touch it, because let me just show you. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. This look like an A, B, C. So we may still get kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just be patient. Keep watching. We must still get into this reversal zone before we now have the big sell. The big sell will surely happen. Okay, but when and who will catch it? That's 2 questions. When and who will catch it? If you are not patient, you will lose it. If you are in a haste, you will enter before the reversal, and your stop loss will hit before it begins to sell. And if you don't have experience, you will be watching it, it will be going. SP 500, let me zoom it out. I expected it to give me this correction and the sell. I didn't sell because after the break of this line, there's something I'm looking for. I didn't see it. So I've said it before that I draw a line. It doesn't mean that once the market closes below the line, it have changed. I keep saying it out of joke, but it is truth. Market doesn't know that that we draw the line. It doesn't concern the market. The line concerns you and you alone. So the line is to remind you what you are looking for. Simple. The line doesn't control the market. So, but I said, if you miss buying at a good place, don't buy. That's how I trade. When I miss the trade, I will leave it. I don't buy when the prices have so much gone up or gone down. Okay. As I say always, you better lose the trade than you better miss the trade than lose the trade. US starting. Well, last week, this was my expectation that we will come down to this zone and get this and get this. So we didn't come to this zone again, but we are getting this, and I have seen a strong selling candle. This is 4 hours time frame, but if you see these 3 candles, 1, 2, 3, they are strong candles. Once we get correction, the sell will begin, and the sell will likely go a long way because it will be the fourth wave. You can see wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. So we likely have to sit at 6868 and at 603. So this drop is what I'm looking for. And mind you, we can get the drop to this zone and get a second one again. So, but let's focus on how we join the selling here. Remember, you get set up down to 1 hour time frame or even 15 minutes. If you know how to spot it. DAX. Demand DAX. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm looking for a reversal pattern, either to give me a big sell or a little correction. For now, I haven't seen the reversal pattern. It's going up gradually, gradually. And I can tell you it's a sign of reversal because it seems that the buyers are no longer eager to buy. Now, the Jones have gotten to our web 3. They have gotten to our web 3, but there's a level. Let me put the 101 to check where you can begin to. This is sharp move. It's selling. Set it up will occur here, but I don't know how I can tell you this. So you have to move on. Okay, let me squeeze in Bitcoin here. But I can make another video this night. This is 17 minutes after 10 p.m. Nigerian time. BTC. Bitcoin. 4 hours. No, Bitcoin, now wow. Bitcoin, I'm telling those who get to listen that they should be careful on Bitcoin. People are saying that Bitcoin is going to 123,000, and I was laughing because I know it will happen, but not now. So now this is what I did. Two of my bias is that first of all, this is ABC, which is W. Then we get another ABC, X, and Y. So now it's obvious that my projected wave A didn't get to that zone. Then wave B is coming down. Who knows? The wave B might end up to be a running flat. But let's assume that wave B will end around 62,000 or 62,000. Let's say wave B will end before 61,000. Let's assume. Then this wave C will never come up to this zone again. To either come up to maybe 68,000 or 70,000. And when you see it, my brother, run for your life because we're gonna get a heavy drop again. So expect this on Bitcoin. W, X, Y. Let me change this. Let me change it. So be ready to see Bitcoin at 56,000, 54,000, or even 50,000. Anyway, that's my opinion. That's my own analysis. I may be wrong. I may be wrong. I don't control the market. I may be wrong. But this one, I'm removing it. I shared this chart with my people on WhatsApp. I also have WhatsApp channel, but I don't normally go there. I go there once in a while because people there always focus on cryptos. Okay, so they will always deserve me to give the technical analysis. So I showed them this so that they will take the precaution. So now I'm removing this. I'm no longer hoping on this because I think we might get to see what I was thinking of. That we might get a break of this channel and a sharp move. It broke it anyway, but it seems there's no strength to go up. So I'm removing this. I'm also removing this. So if you're one of those who said that Bitcoin is going to 120,000, please think twice. That's my opinion. You are entitled to your opinion. After all, if you gain, it's in your pocket, you would give me something. If you lose in your pocket, I'm just trying to help fellow use. Okay, here's where I'm coming to the end of this video, of this weekly analysis. Remember to like, share, subscribe, join our Telegram channels. If you want to learn from me, you contact me. You will see my contact details there. The phone number you see there is on WhatsApp and Telegram. I prefer Telegram because that's where I always it is easy for me to discuss because many people are on Telegram. Thank you and God bless you.